Man, this thing smells really rotted. All right, so let's go see how this union calloused over here, this peg style graft, and say goodbye to this Vietnamese white rootstock. Man, it stinks. So I took 2 viable cuttings off of it, and now I want to cut this or dissect it to examine what it looks like after it calluses over time or heals. So let me try to cut it right down the middle. I did not do that. I'll try again. All right, not a perfect dissection, but we can at least examine it. I think I need a much sharper knife, or like a samurai sword or something, but there it is. Look at that. How cool is that? I find it very interesting. Put it down so I'm not shaking. There you go. So what I see here is a really nice union. It's very woody through the pith and I guess the vascular tissue there. I wish I would have cut it a little bit more in the middle, but that was the best I could do. And here's the other half. So I definitely like how much it calloused over. It looks like it's really healed well. It's on there really strong. I guess I could try to pull it apart. Huh. So now it's down to that pith inside there. Very interesting. Let's check out this half of the peg style graft. I'll probably pull it apart now. Get it in focus for you. And let's see. Oh man, it's on there really well. I definitely think that's a sturdy graft. Look at that. So this was only on the plant. This graft was a successful union for about 4 months, 5 months tops. You can see that there's definitely, I want to do more of this style graft. It's just a really sturdy graft over time. Awesome. Sure do like cutting these experiments here, and I hope you like them too. So next time I'll get a much sharper, like samurai sword or something, and hopefully I can be more precise. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. I need to go wash up.